Did you know that undetected air and gas leaks and mechanical faults can lead to severe issues, such as significant financial losses, decreased operational efficiency, unplanned downtime and even potential safety hazards? Acoustic imaging allows for safe and easy detection of pressurized leaks and mechanical faults, delivering results 10 times faster than traditional methods. The Si2's intuitive user interface and lightweight structure make it safe and easy to use. Thanks to its automated settings, operating the device requires minimal training, enabling its swift and cost-efficient deployment into your organization at any stage of the maintenance cycle. Inspections can be carried out without halting operations, which means less expensive downtime. Before starting an inspection, make sure your device is set into the correct mode and that all the necessary settings are in place to give you the optimal results. We will show you how to do this later on in this video. Charge the battery fully before its first use. Plug the battery into the charger until the LED on the charger turns green. To start using the Si2, make sure that the portable battery is inserted into the battery housing. Turn on the camera by briefly pressing the on-off button of the device. With its improved sensitivity, the Si2 can detect gas leaks that are 2 to 5 times smaller than its predecessors. This remarkable improvement means you can rely on the Si2 to identify even the tiniest leaks with a level of precision that sets a new industry standard. The increased sensitivity of the Si2 also enables it to detect a variety of pressurized gases in different applications. You can see the decibel level, leak size and cost estimate at the top of the screen. Leak rate or size is calculated based on the sound coming from the leak, and its distance. The yearly cost is calculated based on user input on the cost of electricity in their region and the utilization time that the system or equipment is running. With its built-in AI-enforced automated functionalities, the Si2 delivers a seamless user experience. The auto filter functionality automatically selects the most suitable filter in order to obtain the most accurate leak detection results. It also eliminates known industrial disturbances by actively sensing the environment where it is being used. It is recommended to leave the auto filter setting on. If desired, it is also possible to manually choose between the number of predefined filters. The AI-driven functionalities of the Si2 allow it to estimate distances automatically. The camera can estimate the distance automatically up to 5 meters. Accurate real-time cost and leak size estimates are produced by taking into account the attenuation of sound over distance. The precisely estimated distance is shown on the display screen. In challenging environments, the user can choose to modify the distance parameters manually. If the camera's AI-driven analytics recognize challenging environments, the display screen will make the user aware of the situation. The plus and minus buttons available in the main screen can be used to select the distance that you estimate to be the most accurate. The Si2 can detect all kinds of pressurized gas leaks and vacuum leaks if the leak is bigger than the minimum detectable size and the pressure is high enough to produce sound. To detect pressurized industrial gases, such as CO2, ammonia, hydrogen, methane, natural gas, helium and argon, select the correct leak type from the camera settings. The Si2 also detects unusual sounds emitted by deteriorating mechanical components, providing a precise non-contact means of locating faults and optimizing performance in conveyor systems. To detect mechanical issues, set the mode to mechanical. The mechanical mode on the Si2 provides 3 metrics: SPL, crest factor, and kurtosis. Different types of bearings running at different speeds behave differently. However, the following indicators often signal potential issues with bearings: sound level pressure, very high, crest factor 6 or above, kurtosis 2 or above. It is recommended to always compare the crest factor, kurtosis and SPL of a bearing to healthy bearings of the same type, measured from a similar distance. The Si2 features a 12-megapixel color visual, 8x digital zoom and LED lights to ensure visual details are captured even over long distances and in low-light areas. You can adjust screen brightness and zoom in and out with the camera. You can use the multi-source mode to scan a large area quickly and find several potential leaks. In order to inspect the leaks more closely, switch to single source mode for a detailed inspection of each leak. With the Si2's enhanced multi-source mode, you will be able to detect more sound sources than ever before. This includes critical issues that would otherwise remain hidden. Note that when using the multi-source mode, the device and the thermal studio still only analyze the strongest sound source indicated by the small crosshair on the screen. When trying to find hazardous gas leaks in complex industrial environments, being able to detect leaks from a safe distance is key. With the Si2, you can now extend your detection range by up to 4 times compared to previous generation acoustic images. To take a snapshot, press the snapshot icon and name it. For the most accurate analysis results, enter the energy or volume cost and set the leak unit and currency. The camera may sometimes show reflections of actual sound sources that can appear at seemingly illogical places, such as in the middle of the floor. In such cases, the sound from the real source bounces off other objects. You can tell a reflection apart from an actual sound source by slowly moving the camera. If the sound source moves with the camera, you are seeing a reflection. If the sound source stays in place, it is the actual sound source. In most cases, reflections are beneficial in that they indicate sound sources that are not directly in the line of sight. You can identify the real location of the source by analyzing the reflections bouncing off nearby surroundings. We will now show you how to select the correct settings in Setup Wizard and connect to Wi-Fi to register your device. We recommend doing this immediately after unboxing the device, as your acoustic camera is then ready for use. After starting the device, the Setup Wizard asks you to select, among other things, language, time zone, and location. Remember to also set the desired leak unit, currency, and especially the energy cost. Connect to Wi-Fi to register and pair your device to the cloud service. After the Setup Wizard pairing, the camera is ready for use without any adjustments. To automatically upload snapshots to the included acoustic viewer for further analysis, enable Wi-Fi in the camera settings. The acoustic viewer is a cloud-based platform that enables you to store and retrieve information from captured snapshots from anywhere, anytime. We also have offline software for those who prefer to use it. The software accompanying the camera provides a complete solution for reporting results. With just a few clicks, the user can compile information from as many snapshots as needed. The software generates reports that are compatible with international standards, like ISO 50001. Si2 package contents. Si2-LD or Si2-Pro acoustic camera. 1 user license FTS Si2 plugin. 2 batteries. Battery charger. Camera neck strap. Hard case. Printed documentation, USB memory stick, and 2-year warranty.